Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to send high quality snaps on Snapchat in Android. Alright, first of all, make sure to update your Snapchat app. After updating the app, go to your profile icon on top left corner. And here, go to settings by clicking on top right. Scroll down under privacy control, you will find this option data saver. Just click on it and turn off this option. Alright, moving on to method number 2. Just record the snap first. Save it to your camera roll, and after that go to the chat where you want to send the snap and send it as a file. Alternatively, what you can do is just go on explore page, go on the search bar and type HDR. You can use these filters to make your image more clearer and sharper. Unfortunately, Snapchat does not offer any feature right now by which you can send high quality snap. Now at last, make sure your internet speed is fast, not slow. Alright, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.